Hello friends, good evening. Welcome to the RSS educational channel with Fun Mathematics. Today we will discuss regarding something of class 9 mathematics, and this is regarding equation and identity difference. That means difference between equation and identity, which is very important and which needs clarification. Sometimes students get confused with equation and identity. That's why we are discussing regarding this. And one another thing is why something by 0 is undefined, infinity. That means when some numerical value is divided with 0, its value gets undefined or infinity. Why? These two things we will discuss in today's discussion. So now let us come to the real discussion. Equation. What is equation? Equation is a statement of equality between two expressions consisting of variable and number. It means in case of equation, some statement is logically related with some numerical value with equal sign in between. Suppose Amit and Basu's total earning is rupees 10. It means Amit and Basu cumulatively 10 रुपया अर्न करते हैं. It means this statement satisfied the following set of points. Actually, if we assume Amit's earning is x and Basu's earning is y, then if x is 1, y is 9, if x is 2, y is 8, if x is 3, y is 7, if x is 4, y is 6, like this. Lot of set of points are there which satisfy this equation. That means x plus y equal to 10. This has become the straight line. This is basically a straight line because ax plus by equal to c, x plus by plus c equal to 0 represent a straight line, and the gradient of this straight line is minus 1 definitely, because if we express this straight line is as y equal to mx plus c, it becomes minus 1. M becomes minus 1, that is tan theta is 135 degree theta, so minus 1, its gradient is minus 1. So it means in case of equation, there are only few points which satisfies the equation, which satisfies that statement. If we put these values only, then only the equation is satisfied. That means it is not satisfied for all value, for any values of x or y. It means there are a lot of points in the Cartesian plane. These blue points, small blue points are there which does not satisfy this statement. It means these points are not on the straight line. So equation is a statement when a statement is logically correlated with a numerical number with equal sign in between, and there are only few points in the system which satisfy the equation. That is the equation. Now let us come to the identity. An equality relating to mathematical expression, two mathematical expression which may contain variables which produces some values for all values of variable. It means in case of identity, in both left hand side and right hand side expression, only variable will be there which will be coupled with, which may be coupled with some constant also. Suppose if we multiply a plus b 2 times, then it becomes a plus b whole square, it becomes a square plus 2ab plus b square. If we put a equal to 1, b equal to 5, then left hand side becomes 5 plus 1 square means 36, and right hand side also becomes 1 plus 10 plus 25 means 36. For like this, for any values of a and b, it will always be same. That means left hand side will be equal to right hand side for any value of a and b. Suppose a plus b into a plus b into a plus b equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. That means a plus b whole cube. This is also one another identity. A plus b whole to the power 5 equal to a to the power 5 plus 5 a to the power 4b plus 10 a cube b square plus 10 a square b cube plus 5 a b to the power 4 plus b to the power 5. If we put a equal to 1 and b equal to 2 in left hand side, it becomes a plus b whole to the power 5 means 3 to the power 5 means 243. That means value of left hand side a plus b whole to the power 5 with a equal to 1, b equal to 2 is 243. Now let us come to the right hand side. If we put a equal to 1 and b equal to 2, then it becomes 1 to the power 5 plus 5 1 to the power 4 into 2 plus 10 1 to the power cube 2 square plus 10 1 square 2 cube plus 5 1 2 to the power 4 plus 2 to the power 5 means 1 plus 10 plus 40 plus 80 plus 80 plus 32, it becomes again 243. It means if we put any value at a and b at both left hand side and right hand side, it will always give the same value. This is the identity. Hope things is clear. Now let us come to the discussion. When we divide something by 0, the result becomes undefined, here result becomes infinity. Why? Suppose logically a numerator is a and denominator is g, and by argument we are trying, forcefully we are trying, though let us decide this value is x, then a by 0 equal to x. So we have to prove that, it means we have to prove that x has some fixed definite value. Now a equal to definitely 0 into x. Now if we put x equal to plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3, plus minus 4 dot 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 up to infinity, any value up to infinity, in all cases a becomes 0 because that is getting multiplied with 0. So for any value of x, a becomes 0. It means x does not have any fixed value, yeah, does not have any finite value, yeah, does not have any definite value. If we put x equal to 1, then it becomes 0, x equal to 2, then 0, x equal to 3, then 0. That means x is not getting any fixed value. That means this is not defined. X is not defined. That means undefined. X is undefined. Yeah, it will have enormous value, infinite number of values. That's why it becomes undefined or infinity. So if we put something as numerator and divide that numerator with 0 using 0 as denominator, then the value becomes undefined or infinity. That is the thing. Hope the things will be helpful to the students. Okay, please share the videos and like the videos to motivate me for good and fantastic video. Thank you.